Hi friends, welcome to my magical hands. Today we are going to see how to make borders and frames for calligraphic projects. First one is borders. Borders we can use anywhere, four corners or four sides or up and down. Any area we can use borders. These are few examples for borders. We can use these borders in any calligraphic or writing work projects. Second one is frames used for calligraphic projects. These are few examples for frames we can use in calligraphic and writing work projects. I hope you all are like this video. If you are like this video, you like and share with your family and friends. Subscribe my channel and press the bell button for future video notification. Bye bye.